everyone, it's Katie and welcome to my channel, Art with Kate Cabrera. Today, I'm going to run you through my very own Basic Brush Calligraphy workbook. If you're also one who would like to learn this art, I hope you stick with this video until the end. Don't worry, I recorded my drills on time-lapse because the actual drills in my workshops would literally take hours. But before we start, would you be so kind and do me a favor? Please subscribe and get notified for more artsy stuff such as journaling, hand lettering and calligraphy, and illustrations in future videos. Thank you so much! Now here are a few tips and tricks in doing brush lettering or brush calligraphy. First, you need these 5 P's to get you through it. Have a purpose, passion, perseverance, patience, and in all seriousness, prayer. The basic technical rules are: hold pen diagonally, don't twist the tip or nib as you write slowly and carefully, and keep your lines and letters parallel. Always keep in mind that upward strokes are thin and downward strokes are thick. Practice at least 30 minutes a day. You have to make it a habit. As Angela Duckworth, the author of the book Grit, says, effort counts twice as much as talent. I will be sharing a more intensive instructional video on this next time. Let's now go to the drills. For this, I'm using a black Faber Castell brush pen. I'm starting with the 10 basic strokes: the upstroke, downstroke, overturn, underturn, compound curve, oval, ascending loop, descending loop, swirl, and a curvy downstroke. Next, we have the uppercase of the letters of the alphabet and the numbers. Tip of the day is: be patient. You really need to take time in mastering any type of art. And here are the letters in lowercase as well as some punctuation marks. Unfortunately, the time lapse is so fast you could barely see the strokes. Also, I provided a few sample words for exercise. And finally, here are a few more ways to be creative with your lettering. And as I've said earlier, I'll be having a more detailed video on the actual mechanics of my basic brush calligraphy style on a future video. Thank you for watching. Please check out my next video, which is a DIY planner spread for the month of May. Take care, guys!